This is a Corel Photo-Paint image. It is similar to a PSD. Use the Corel Suite or XNView to open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the layers. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective CPT file solution for the tough cases near the end. The CPT is officially classified under the Comprehensive Graphic Design File architecture. The file operates using the Corel Photo-Paint Image conventions. The CPT file type is the native image format for Corel Photo-Paint. It stores raster image data and supports layers, objects, and channels similar to the Adobe Photoshop format. Developed by Corel Corporation, the proprietary design stores bitmap image data along with layer and object structure for complex image editing. Corel defined Corel Presentations X8 as the application primarily intended for CPT. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows offers only a static snapshot, so interactive editing depends on design software. We're checking the integrity against known readers. Right-click your CPT file and click Open With. If Corel Presentations X8 is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. You need to test widely. If your CPT file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, use Corel Photo-Paint. Open the file using Corel Photo-Paint, the required application for the proprietary image format. Next, check version. Ensure your Corel Photo-Paint version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to PSD/JPG. Use the software's export function to save the image as a universal format like .psd or JPG. If test results show the CPT file is completely non-standard, the final move to the specialized recovery tool is mandatory. It's the advanced option designed for this type of file, so it's worth a shot. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the CPT file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step. A powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.